Outrigger Maldives Maafushivaru Resort. Outrigger Maldives Maafushivaru Resort guests are greeted with the resort experience as soon as they deplane their international flights. Representatives meet guests at their gates, then escort them via air-conditioned coaches to the Annex Seaplane Terminal, where Maafushivaru is one of the few resorts to have an airport lounge, and a very plush one at that. Built in 2010, the property works hard to maintain its luxury look and feel, which, in the harsh climate of the Maldives, can prove quite difficult and expensive. One necessary measure the resort has had to take is to place heaps of netted sandbags around much of the island in order to reduce the natural beach erosion caused by incessant waves. Unfortunately, it affects the panoramic views, though many reef sharks and fish are often spotted in the shallow sandbanks. Overall, this island has a great balance of upscale and casual vibes throughout, with particular sophistication in the villas. Grounds are picturesque, with white sands, an abundance of tall palm trees, tangled mangroves, and green sea cabbage, and no shortness of crabs. Guests here tend to be couples, especially honeymooners, and typically come from Europe or Asia depending on the season, though as of 2015 the resort does allow children. The large, open areas work well to give privacy and space, but also tend to encourage people to mingle and be social.